I've been exploring the Afterpay mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Afterpay mobile app. First, let's talk about what Afterpay actually offers. Afterpay is a buy now, pay later service that lets you shop online, in-store, or directly through the app, then split your purchase into 4 payments over about 6 weeks, or stretch bigger purchases over longer monthly plans on eligible orders. You can browse a wide range of brands in fashion, beauty, home, tech, and more, and even find app-only deals and curated picks that make discovery pretty easy. The app also gives you a clear view of your spending limit, upcoming payments, and order history, so you can stay on top of what you owe without too much effort. Now, let's discuss the interface and overall experience. The layout is clean and modern, and it feels familiar if you've used other shopping or payment apps, with sections for shopping, managing payments, and viewing account details. Managing installments is straightforward, and you can adjust your preferred payment day and receive notifications so you're not surprised by due dates. On the downside, this convenience can make it a bit too easy to overspend if you're not disciplined, and late fees may apply if you miss payments. Approval also depends on eligibility criteria and credit checks for some longer-term plans, so not everyone will get the same limits or offers. And the app is still fundamentally another form of debt that needs careful use. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.